Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. If this is your first time, you're welcome. So yeah, I'm filming twice today. I wanted to show you guys how I style my braids. So this is a knotless braid, and yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I style. I'm showing you like different style on how you can style your braid and slay it. You don't have to like pack it and put it inside a hair net or a hair cover. No. So when you make your hair, please try to style it. Yeah. So yeah, this hair is 2 weeks old. Yeah. Okay, so let's right into the video without further delay. So guys, that's all the styles I do style my braids whenever I make braids. And this knotless braid was made by my friend Mary. She's in Greater Noida. In case you're there, just look her up. And also she is on Instagram. You can check her out. Brilliant Afo. So I'll leave her IG handle, yeah, so that you guys can go to her to get your knotless braid. This one has been 2 weeks now. Yeah, this is 2 weeks. This hair is 2 weeks old, and look at it, it's still very fresh. Yeah, so yeah, that's how I style my braids. These are different styles. I mean, there are more, but like I can't remember them right now. Yeah, so yeah, this is it. So try to do whatever you can do. And you guys notice that in this video I was not using any like rubber band or any hair clips or anything. I use the braid itself. This braid is pinless, so I use the braid itself to tie my hair whenever I want to like tie it around. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned how to style 1 or 2 braid styles. So yeah, give this video a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload any video. Yeah, see you on my next one. Bye.